Good morning, dear children. Yesterday we started our geography lesson number 4, air. Yesterday I shared with you the hard words of the same lesson and facts to remember also. Now today we are going to write some of the textbook keywords. That words you have to keep in mind the meaning of that word, that is very important word for understanding that lesson. Now first word is there, air. Air is the mixture of gases is termed as the air. Wind. Horizontally moving air is called wind. Third word, atmosphere. An envelope of air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. Global warming. The heat deterrent increases the temperature of the atmosphere. It is called global warming. Next word is there, weather. The atmospherical conditions for a specific time at a specific place form a weather. Okay, it means the specific time having that specific condition of the atmosphere, that we call the weather. Then climate. What is mean the climate? Average of atmospherical conditions for a long period and of a large area constitute the climate. You have to keep in mind that differentiate in both the word. What is the meaning of weather and what is the meaning of the climate? Climate change after many days, and weather can change in 1 or 2 hours also. Okay, then temperature. What is the meaning of temperature? Degree of hotness and coldness of the air is known as the temperature. Insolation. Insolation, the portion of solar heat and energy which is received on the surface of the earth is called the insolation. Insolation generally we call the solar energy which we got from the sun. Then air pressure. Air has weight and it exerts pressure. This is called the air pressure. Cyclone. Lower pressure area with wind blowing anti-clockwise in north hemisphere is called cyclone. Cyclone where we found generally? Cyclone we found generally on the oceanic region. Then wind van. The weather instrument which measures the wind direction. Wind van is used for the identify or measures the wind direction. We made the project upon that in the last year also, you know, dear student. Now rain gauge, the instrument which is measured amount of rainfall. Local winds, winds which blow during a particular period in a small area. Moisture, water vapor present in the air is termed as the moisture. Humidity, moisture in the air is called humidity. Precipitation, falling of moisture in the form of the rainfall, snow, fog, sleet, and hailstone is termed as the precipitation. Then troposphere, the lowest layer of the atmosphere in which all the weather changes take place, that we call the troposphere. It means simply we are living in the troposphere region. Then stratosphere, the layer of the atmosphere in which temperature remains constant, that we call the stratosphere. Then mesosphere, middle layer of the atmosphere in which meteoroids burn in it after entering it, that we call the mesosphere. Then thermosphere, layer in which temperature increase very rapidly. Ionosphere is a part, thermosphere is the part of it. This helps radio transmission. Exosphere. Exosphere, the uppermost layer of the atmosphere mixing with space above. Okay, so that words, that textbook keywords you have to write down in your copy. Today is also your copywriting work, and from tomorrow we are going to start the explanation part of the same lesson. Got it, dear children? Make complete your copy and send me the images. Thank you.